Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antariksh, and today I have something pretty mind blowing to talk about. We're going to react to it. Yes, it has come out 2-3 days earlier, but I wanted to check if there were some updates. But my goodness, OpenAI has just disrupted the scene. Yet again, it's safe to say that because they just keep doing that. They are way ahead of the pack.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
And this is the text to video generator, and boom, introducing Sora, our text to video model. Sora can create videos up to 60 seconds featuring highly detailed scenes, complex camera motion, and multiple characters with vibrant emotions. I mean, this is just just look at the prompt here, right? Prompt is beautiful snowy Tokyo city is bustling. The camera moves through the bustling city street, following several people enjoying the beautiful snowy weather and shopping at nearby stalls. Gorgeous sakura petals are flying through the wind along with snowflakes. And let us just now take a look at the video, right? I mean, like, can you just believe, like, just go back a year ago, right? That what AI generated videos were, and look at this now. It still has some malfunctions here and there. You can see all sorts of shapes and sizes here and there, but I mean, to be coming this close to realism is just absolutely magnificent. And I don't know how fast we're traveling because this is really fast. Look at this. This is another one. But just before we go here, I would like to go right here. This is the Be10x AI Tools and ChatGPT workshop. All you need to do is you just need to click the link down below and sign up for the workshop for just 9 rupees. Yup, you heard me right. It is just for 9 rupees because now this one is the best in the market. You want to basically make a presentation in under 10 seconds, you just sign up here. You want to do any IT work under 10 minutes, boom. You want to be in the top 1% of Excel users in the world, boom, this is the place to be. You need to upskill yourself in AI and just learn how to use AI and AI tools to get your work done and save 90% of your time and absolutely excel in your job. Just become a valuable asset to your company, basically. And this is the perfect place to be. You just need to click the link down below and sign up for the workshop, as I said, for just 9 rupees. Less price than a chips packet. I mean, come on now. Come on now. So yeah, just being back to this video now. Right, so just here the prompt is: animated scene features a close-up of a short fluffy monster kneeling besides a melting red candle. The art style is 3D and realistic with a focus on lighting and texture. The mood of the painting is one of wonder and curiosity as the monster gazes the flame with, let us just go there, with a sense of innocence and playfulness, as if it's exploring the world around it for the first time. Right, anyway, so let's just take a look at this video. I mean, it's a monster, it's a cute little monster. Wow. Can you just imagine? This is not even real. This is not even real. Wow. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon. Let's just forget the prompt now. Let's just take a look at this video. I mean, like, look at the people there. It almost feels they're walking a bit too fast in comparison to this woman. Something like that. You can still like you but like if I were to show you a 5-second glimpse of it with no AI context, I don't think many people would be able to say, oh, this is AI, this is for sure AI. This doesn't look very AI. Of course, if you see, now you go there, you can maybe see a bit of flaws here and there, this and that. But look at the reflection in the mirror right here. I mean, this is just amazing. Amazing. Like, I mean, yeah, just look at the reflection there. Look at the background signs, how clear they are. They just feel as if it was a proper camera in front of her face, which is recording her. She almost feels like she's like people are skating a bit on it feels like an icy surface, but still, I mean, come on. This is just amazing how we and they've just gone on and disrupted the whole scene yet again. This is what OpenAI does, right? This is what they absolutely do, because now they've basically done which wasn't heard of anywhere before, right? A gorgeous rendered papercraft world of a coral reef rifle with colorful fish and sea creatures. Just look at this. I mean, this is a paper world of the coral reef. basically an origami underwater aquatic world, right? Wow. Look at the seahorse. If I'm not right, if I'm not wrong, if I'm not right. Wow. Yeah, I certainly am not right, but OpenAI is at the rightest place of them all. I mean, this is so amazing. I When this dropped, I was like, how can this even be possible? Because I mean, yeah, I just couldn't sort of get my head through it. Yeah, let's just go back here. Yeah, so it's again, as I say, it's just amazing. Let's keep on going forward. I mean, look at this. We've been here. Look at this one. This one was the like it's a zoom in face of the guy. How is this AI generated? I don't even know if these are real people. I don't know. I don't know, but they must be. They have to be. They have to be real people. You can't make up male Mona Lisas out of nowhere, right? You're not Da Vinci or OpenAI. But yeah, wow, 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 wow. I mean, now that's what I'm saying. What is the limit? I don't know. What are the possible security concerns over it? What are the possible copyright concerns over it? I have no clue. Cinematographers, editors, videographers, animators, what is their stance on it? I'd love to hear. If any one of you is working there, I'd love to hear that in the comment section. But I don't know what's going to be the next sort of phase for this technology, but certainly this is one to look out for, because it has absolutely just changed everything that we knew about text to video generation, right? So yeah, let's just keep going up. Look at this, giant woolly mammoths. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah, I mean, just amazing, just truly and truly amazing as to what has happened with OpenAI right here. And yeah, as you can see, it was just mind blowing, and hopefully you guys would have some input over it as well. And at last, don't forget to check the link down below. At just 9 rupees, you can sign up for our workshop, Be10x workshop on AI tools and chat GPT.